What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're going to be making a video on loaded fries. I got invited by Meat Militia to basically join a collaboration with a bunch of other channels, and we're all going to do loaded fries for the month of May. So yeah, let's check out these ingredients, get it going. So these are the fries we're using. These are some extra crispy fast food style fries. We're going to throw a little garlic salt on them. We're going to make some queso with some Tostitos, habanero spicy salsa, and some velveta cheese. We're going to throw some ground beef on here, some ground beef like tacos, and season them with a little bit of that. We got some veggies. We got some sweet peppers here, some red onion, tomato, jalapeno, cilantro. We're going to throw some lettuce on there and some shredded cheese. So let's get it going. Alright, so we're going to get going here. We got the griddle at about 300 degrees over here. So we're going to start off with some oil. Gonna just get that spread around a little bit. This is to fry up these fries. I've never cooked French fries. I've done other things like I mean, it's basically like a hash brown, right? So it's gonna cook. There's no worry about that. So we got the griddle nice and warm, and I've had these sitting out for about an hour, just because I don't want them frozen. I want to kind of speed this up a little bit. So yeah, let's just throw them on. Enough in there for the kid. All right, there we go. I'm gonna put a little more oil on these. All right, and we're just gonna basically turn these up and let them cook. It's gonna take, I'm guessing, I've never done an actual French fry, but I'm guessing this is gonna take like 15-ish minutes, 20 minutes maybe, but we're gonna find out. So the collab, there's a few people that have put videos out already. Meat Militia, he's put out a couple. He actually took my idea. I was gonna do the cheesesteak fries, but he did a great job, so ain't nothing wrong with that. The Wall Twins, they put a video out. They did nachos, and I think it was Daddy, dang it, I don't remember his name. I'm gonna remember, but there's a couple other people that put videos out. Daddy Dutch, I think it was Daddy Dutch Barbecue, and yeah, he did a good one. The dude, what's his name? The Dude's Kitchen and Grill. He put a video out, or no, he put a short out. I think he's putting a video out today, which today's Tuesday. So yeah, that'll be out in a little bit. I'll keep an eye out for that. And yeah, you gotta, hopefully a lot more people jump in and throw something out there. These are tacos. So it's been about 3 minutes of these cooking on here. All right, we still don't have any color action going, but if you can hear it through my mic, it sounds like we got some fry action starting to happen, so that's good. All right, let's just move these back around. And we're gonna get going on this queso. Now normally, I mean, I don't really like to get this kind of salsa. It's just not nearly as good as like some homemade stuff. But for this, I don't want to waste homemade salsa on this, so I just throw a little bit of that, just one little jar. We're gonna get that, so that's starting to heat up. I have this burner all the way high, and then we're gonna drop in the velveta, just like so. Now normally when I make queso, I would throw some serranos in there, some onion, because there is a little bit of stuff in the salsa, but not enough for me and not to my liking. And I would throw meat in there too. But since we're doing meat already, you know, for the dish, don't need to do any more of that. So that's all we're gonna do for that. Get that stuff going. We're gonna leave these on for about 5 more minutes, and we're gonna just let that stuff chill, get going, and bring you right back. So you see the fries, they're getting close. The queso is getting close. I moved that up into the coldest part of my griddle. I just turned this burner on so we can get going on this ground beef. There we go. Bang. It's super easy to cook some ground beef. And then, once the meat's just about done, I'm going to throw the veggies in with the meat so we can all just cook up together. And yeah, you see that? It's already getting good. Just chop and flip. So I'll bring you back once I'm ready to throw some more stuff on. And we're getting close. So the meat's just about done. I'm going to move the fries over a little bit. Try and keep them somewhat flat still. So I want them to keep going. I want to get going on the veggies. So let me put a little bit of oil right here. Get these peppers going. Love these little peppers. Ooh. The jalapeno. That's one really big jalapeno. And red onion. I'm not going to use all this red onion because that's a lot. We just had it cut up in the fridge, so we thought we'd use it. That should do it. Alright. Get this stuff going. A little bit. Once this stuff starts to caramelize, I'm just going to throw it in with the meat anyway, so we're good. Alright, let's check on the meat. Meat's done. Meat is done. So what I'm going to do, you know what? Yeah, I'm just going to leave these burners on. The queso's done. The fries are almost done. The meat's done. Just need to throw the seasoning in. Get a little bit of this. This is a half cup of water, and then enough of the seasoning to bring it up to about 2/3 cup. So yeah, let's just pump that in here. Get all that seasoning in there. Ooh, baby. Mix this stuff up. Man, you can smell that goodness. Keep it away from my pan. You know what? I'm running out of room here. I'm just going to mix this stuff up so I ain't got to fight with it. Yeah, we got a nice little caramelization going on anyways. Alright, boom. Now I'm going to move this over here. There we go. The meat is done. I'm just going to let this stuff chill on here for a little bit while these fries finish up. And the queso's done. We're just about ready to build this thing. Alright, everything is cooked. Fries are done, nice and crispy. Meat's done, queso's done. I'm going to put these on the plate and get my cutting board up here so I can put this whole thing together and show you what we're working with. This is done. I mean, look at that. That looks so good. I am so happy that Meat Militia invited me to do this, because I don't know if I would have done it without, you know, being asked. So, man, this just looks amazing. I'm just gonna dive right in, right over here. Oh, we can feel the crunch on that fry, definitely. Got some meat, lettuce, sour cream, veggies, or pepper. Oh man. That is so good. That queso, so good. Everything about this. Man, I don't even know what to do with myself. My mouth is just watering over here. Oh yeah, let's get that jalapeno. Some more of that meat. Oh yeah, big fry. That was hot. This is gonna be my dinner. I might just eat all this. This is so good. All right, well, that's all I got, guys. I'm gonna get in and eat my stuff. Thank you, Meat Militia. I hope, hope to see more videos like this. Hope more people jump on the wagon here. And thanks for watching the video. Hit that thumbs up if you like what you see. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. Yeah. Man, so good.